In this video, we will discuss about some most important formula in electrochemistry. First formula, Ostwald dilution law. It is based on Arrhenius theory of electrolytic dissociation and applicable only for weak electrolyte. So, Ostwald dilution law applicable only for the weak electrolyte like acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide, etc. So, இதனுடைய formula K equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha, where K is the dissociation constant, C is the concentration, alpha is the degree of dissociation. So, இதுக்கு ஒரு ஃபார்முலாவும் இருக்குது. So, alpha is nothing but lambda C by lambda infinity. So, இங்கே lambda C என்றது equivalent conductance at particular concentration. Lambda infinity is the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution, where alpha உடைய value 1 அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் the degree of ionization for strong electrolyte. So, alpha வந்து 1 ஆச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் அது strong electrolyte. அதுவே alpha less than 1 ஆச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் it is a weak electrolyte. Then second formula, Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation. இதை சிம்பிளாக நம்ம DHO அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. This DHO theory applicable for strong electrolyte. For univalent electrolyte, DHO equation is lambda m equal to lambda naught m minus 82.4 by epsilon r t power 1 by 2 eta plus 8.20 into 10 power 5 by epsilon r t power 1 by 2 lambda naught m into root c. So, இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா only for univalent electrolyteக்கான DHO equation. இங்கே epsilon r is the dielectric constant, eta is the viscosity coefficient, T is the temperature, lambda m and lambda naught m is the equivalent conductance, C is the concentration of the strong electrolyte. For a given solvent and at a given temperature, the equation may be expressed. இது நம்ம கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம ஆல்ட்ரு பண்ணி அந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை சிம்பிளாக மாற்றுறோம். அதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா lambda m equal to lambda naught m minus a plus b lambda naught m into root c. Here capital A and capital B is the Debye-Huckel constant. So, ரெண்டுமே constant என்றதால A is the constant for the electrophoretic effect. அதனுடைய வேல்யூ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 60.2 இருக்கும் at 25 degree Celsiusல for water. ஸோ வாட்டர் சால்வெண்ட் ஆச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் A உடைய வேல்யூ 25 degree Celsiusல 60.2. அதுவே the value of B is 0.229 for water as a solvent at the same 25 degree Celsius. Therefore, the equation changes to lambda m equal to lambda naught m minus 60.2 plus 0.229 lambda naught m root c. So, in the equation பொறுத்தவரையும் valid only for the concentration 0.02 molar அதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் இது applicable ஆகும் 0.02 molar மட்டும் தான் this equation valid. Then third important formula, Debye-Huckel limiting law. Ln nu plus or minus equal to minus a z plus z minus square root of I. இங்க nu plus or minus I is the mean activity coefficient. Mean activity coefficient. I is the ionic strength. Z plus Z minus is the valency of the cation and anion respectively. So this equations is changes to at 20 degree Celsius in water as a solvent. Ln nu plus or minus equal to minus 0.509 Zi square, that is Z plus Z minus square root of I. Then fourth important formula, Nernst equation. This equation can be used to determine the single electrode potential. So இதனுடைய formula E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Here capital E is the reduction potential, E naught is the standard potential, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin, N is the number of electron, capital F is the Faraday, that is 96,500 coulombs. So இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்ம ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது, that is R வேல்யூ, T வேல்யூ, F வேல்யூ நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணால் E equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N logarithm product concentration by reactant concentration அப்படின்னு நமக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். So both are most important Nernst equations. Then fifth formula, Gibbs Helmholtz equation. Delta G equal to delta H plus T into dou delta G by dou T at constant pressure, where delta G is the change in Gibbs free energy, delta H is change in enthalpy, and delta T or dou T is the change in temperature. Or delta H equal to NF into T into dou E by dou T at constant pressure minus E. Here dou E by dou T at constant pressure is called temperature coefficient, that is dou E by dou T at constant pressure is called temperature coefficient. Third equation, delta S equal to NF dou E by dou T at constant pressure. So dou S or delta S is the change in entropy, that is a randomness or disorder. Sixth important formula, Butler-Volmer equation or electrokinetic rate expression. Electrokinetic rate expression, that is I draft equal to I naught e power zf beta into eta by RT minus e power minus zf into 1 minus beta eta by RT. Here beta is the symmetry factor or transfer coefficient, symmetry factor or transfer coefficient. Eta is a low field approximation. நம்ம ஃபார்முலா சொல்லும்போது RT/F I/I0 நம்ம சொல்லலாம். That is eta is the low field approximation. I is the current density. I is the current density. Thank you friends.